Hey guys, this is Nikki with Vapor Honing Technologies. Today I wanted to talk to you about the expenses that go into a dry blast cabinet. Essentially, you're going to get into the biggest part of purchasing a dry blast cabinet. Your biggest expense is going to be purchasing the cabinet itself. Once you get past that, then it's downhill from there. You've got abrasive that is going to be running about $1 to $2 a pound, depending on what type of abrasive it is. Of course, it can go on up. It's going to be reusable in a suction system. You're able to reuse, for example, glass bead up to 30 times. That's something that you can do different jobs, different projects, and still be able to get a nice finish. The other concern that you're going to need to think about is disposal of the abrasive. Because most of the abrasives are environmentally friendly, your abrasive can be disposed of in a sanitation landfill. Take a look at your local regulations. It will tell you exactly how you should dispose of any contaminated abrasives. If it's not contaminated, the surface is clean, what you're removing is not going to create contaminants. The other part of your cost with the machine is going to be the upkeep. You're going to need to pay attention to your hoses, your parts, what needs to be replaced. Dry blasting equipment is going to be high pressure, therefore your hoses will have to be maintained. You'll need to make sure that you're changing out your abrasive pretty consistently in order to get a most consistent finish. Whatever questions you have, we'd love to help you out with your dry blast needs. Give us a call today. Our number is 828-202-5563. Thank you so much, and if you would, please follow us on Instagram, like us on Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.